Here's how much money I made on the GI Bill. Tax free. Tax free.
Whiskey 9 Yankee 7 November Golf, over.
I've tried to advocate for veterans using the GI Bill, and from what I've gathered, most don't care about higher education. So today, I'm hoping that money will be the motivating factor to get you to take advantage of your GI Bill. I went to school at the University of Maryland Global Campus, and for me, I live in Northern Virginia. Now this matters because when you're using the post 9/11 GI Bill, you will get a housing allowance. In my case, my housing allowance was about $2,570. Let's just go ahead and call it $2,500 even to make math easy. The VA prorates your housing allowance based on when your semester starts and when your semester ends. Again, to make this easy, there are 3 semesters per year. That means that the VA is going to prorate your housing allowance 6 different times. So if your semester begins on, let's say, August 12th, you're going to get housing allowance from August 12th to the end of the month. However, the VA is going to take away August 1st to the 11th. To make this easy, again for math, we're just going to cut these months in half. So $2,500 even is the housing allowance. We're going to multiply this by 6. That comes out to be $15,000. To take the prorated months and cut that number in half, half of $2,500 is $1,250. So $1,250 multiplied by 6 is $7,500. Let's go ahead and take $15,000 and $7,500, mash those two numbers together. That number is going to be $22,500 for 1 year of school, or 3 semesters. In my case, I started school with 44 credits and my program required 120 credits. So I went to school for a little over 6 semesters. So in my 2 years of school using the GI Bill, I made a solid $45,000 tax free. Tax free. Now there are some things I'm not accounting for. I want to give myself a plus and minus leeway just in case I miss anything big. One thing I know I'm not accounting for is the semester stipend that you're going to receive. This is to pay for books and other things like that. So in reality, that $45,000 would actually be a little more. Listen to me very carefully. Use your GI Bill. I'm serious. Even if your profession doesn't require you to have a GI Bill, use it anyways. It's free money. In my job, having a degree does absolutely nothing for me, so don't give me that excuse. If that argument doesn't work for you, try this one. If you do not use your GI Bill, the government gets to keep that money, and we don't want that to happen. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on all things veteran benefits. This is Clay Sims with CivDiv, and use your GI Bill.